can work something out.
Hey guys, welcome to Ivy's Coupon Camp. We're going to Burlington just to look around to see what their deals are since the reopening. But I'll let you see when we're going. It ain't no social distancing line today. Hello. Okay, so it's not full. Thank God. Oh, it's up to 50% off on everything. Oh, wow. Look at that. They cleaned out. Dang. I want to just take y'all. So the accessories is 25% off. Carla, I'm going this way. I want y'all to see like the accessories. It was 20. I need a facial moisturizer actually. And I want some sunglasses. Let's see. I like these. Okay, these are 20. Let me show you. Okay, those are $24, make $9.99. So I like those. I think I'm gonna grab those. And let's see how much these are. Oh, and those are $7.99 from what? $24. So I think I'm gonna grab. Let me see which one I like. Like it's empty, guys. Look at Burlington. Now I need some bags. Let's see some of the prices on some of the stuff. So $9.99, and it's 25% off of them. It's clearance. Let's see. That's $6.99 for those lotions. But let's go see. Like yesterday, guys, when we was in Ross, I hope y'all get a chance to watch the Ross video. Go at your own discretion. Did I think I did good? Yes, I did. I came out paying about, I think I paid $97 for everything I had in my buggy, $97.50. And it probably was about $400 worth of stuff. Now, look at this. See that? We missed this because this was 50% off. But we did not go. We didn't hit this early enough, so we didn't get this stuff. Remember, Illinois is not open. I live right on 10 minutes away from Indiana, so that is why you see us here. Now this, look at that, $9.99 for these bras. That's pretty. I'm getting those. Don't y'all look at my size. Let's see how much these are. Those are $9 also. Yes, I did think Ross was worth it. Do I think this place is worth it? Yes, I do. So, sometimes you have to do stuff at your discretion and what you need. Don't do something because you see somebody else do. I strictly do mine as a reference. That's what that is, a reference. So these two bras are that I got, they $9.99. I will be getting those. Okay guys, so this is what I found out about the deal. I just heard it from a worker. See, it say take up to 50% off reduction taken at the register. So this is $14. This is $7.99. Okay. Now, this is $9.99. This is $5.50. Y'all know I'm getting ready to tie it up in here. For one, I got so many people that need stuff. I got so many people that just need different things. And I really want to be able to get that. So I'm going to start buying. I will let you all know how it went. You all know that. So just bear with me. But look at this. And she said they will put back. They put them back every day. So guys, I found some more shapewear. I love this right here. I wear a lot of shapewear. You all know about my cosmetic journey. If not, let me know and I will post it. I did not a mommy makeover, but I did get like some liposuction done. I didn't do no extensive, but I did get it done. So guys, I am like getting ready to shop. I'm gonna show you all around while I'm grabbing things. But look at this, $10.99 for boots, and you take an extra 50% off of those. Uh-oh, look at that. Oh, look at those little nauticas. Those are so cute. So these are $10.99. They'll be $5.50 for those boots. And those are 5s, but my boys got big feet, so they ain't gonna be able to wear that. So, but I'm definitely gonna find some shoes for my little one up in here. They will have shoes, and anybody else that needs shoes gonna have some shoes up in here. So, donation time. That's how I feel like it's donation time. And I'm like feeling fantastic now, because I love when I could donate and give. This is $6.99, so these is $3.50 for t-shirts. These are 4 tees. It's nothing. My little one is chunky. Yeah, my little bitty one is real chunky, guys. He ain't gonna be able to wear that. But I just found some size underwear. Boys brief for night $2.50. Oh Lord. Let me get those. He loves so many, and it don't matter to me because I get all of them. Let's go down here to the shoes. Okay. So, well, I bought, you all saw those ones I bought for $2.99 yesterday, right? Now, my kids play football a lot, all year round. So the shoes, like she said, they gonna be 50% off. Then if you got a red tag, it's gonna be 50% off that tag. So yes, if you want to know the place to be this today, for me, it's Burlington. I will keep posting. Look at that, they cleaned it out, guys. They cleaning it out. Burlington did do right. Oh, let me see how much these polo shoes are. $22. Then it's half off of that. So, $12. That's still a good deal. I mean, come on, guys. Get to Burlington. If you need to come to Burlington, get here, shop, buy what you need. It's fantastic. You see the shelves empty, but like she told me, we filling up every day, so you don't got to worry about it. So let's try and hit some more places. Let's hit some more things we need to do. And hey, let's get it done. Okay, guys? I will be jumping in and out. See, because my granddaughter, she come over and stay. So those is $2.50. She comes and stay with me a lot. And I need to make sure she got clothes to wear. She stays with me. My daughter has a business. Her business travel. And we are on our way to Texas in a while, guys. So if anybody listen, is subscribe to my page, listen to my page. I'm on my way to Texas. Tell me, Carly, I'm right here. Tell me where the good place is at. So, guys, what's going on? Empty. I mean, the place to be was Burlington. This was the place to be. It was Burlington. I'm going back over here to the clothes, and I just want you all to see this. This is empty. So I'm going to take you all back to the clothes, and we're going to start seeing what we can grab. Okay? My daughter just picked up a lot of stuff. So, that might be it. 25% off all like that. That's reasonable. But the clothes is dirt cheap. Take 50% off men's sports. 50% off jeans. $50 off. See, all this is taking extra 50% off. She said that every time they put it up. Well, I bought those for 99 cents yesterday. So some things you can see that I bought that you pick up was cheaper. Like this. This just say medium. But what is a medium? That's going to be small. I feel like that's going to be too small for my boys. Or 2 of my boys. That'll be too small for them. But it's a jacket. I mean, if you could find something, you're doing good. That's a 5'6", and he much bigger than a 5. Now Mikey is not though. He might be able to fit some of this. This a 5. I give him that. But the boys, they ain't gonna be able to get too much. That's cute. I guess I need to find my granddaughter some stuff. And let me see. So, like, you guys, y'all can get this stuff. Let me tell you how I hustle. You can get this stuff and sell this online. Like this Puma set. See that Puma set? It's $8.40, not $8.99. It's gonna be $4.50. You can sell that for $10 online. $10 online. I mean, you know, hey, get your hustle on, judge me whichever way you want to judge me, but I'm telling you, you could sell them. Now there is a large, and that's $7.99 for my boys. So I would get 2 of those because 2 of them the same age. Like me and my daughter racking up. We ain't pointing. And I want to make sure I get over here to this. Let me show you this. So this Burlington, and you see those $6.99 for 2X. That's a good one. So again, my hair stuff. I'm gonna grab 2 of these. So I want you guys to look at something. As soon as the stuff get on the rack, they get it. They take it off the rack. Go that way. I want to see this Calvin Klein dress. Right there. Like soon. Yeah, I like that. That's cute. Look at that. Yeah, huh? That's cute. Get that one. So what is this? I think this is a big pricey though. It's $19.99. No, that's gonna be $9, ain't it? I don't want that. That's too expensive. Yeah, I don't want that. That's high. I don't know what it is. It's swimwear. It's a cover up. That's pretty though. That's how long it is, guys. But as soon as the lady put the stuff on the rack, guys, they take it off the rack. Like, Burlington, the place to be. We probably gonna hit up a couple of Burlingtons in Indiana today. But they do have plenty of clothes. Like the clothes is here. They're here. Oh, here's an Adidas shirt. It's a small though. That's an extra small. This kind of big, huh? They fit. They look like they kind of big, though, right?
I got the extra small.
Okay, I'm gonna get the small. Did you get Lacey one?
I found Lacey an extra small in this little pink shirt.
Okay, guys, I gotta be professional at my job, so I have to find me. Like I wear sweaters at my job, and that's gonna be $7. Look at that. That's cute. I need that. And that's actually cute. I like that. I like that. That's another sweater for my work. I try and get as professional as possible. They done left some of the ringers on those things. Take them off. Wow. Okay, so we're just trying to collect as many as possible. I already had that one, that black one. And in fact, I think I got it from here. Yes. So the work clothes are fantastic also to grab. Look at that. That's $6.99. Oh, wow. Let me grab that. Work pants. Look at that. Those $9.99. I can wear those to work. Treggings. I wear those. I like those. That'll be easy to wear at work. See, I grabbed, and those, so if those was $9.99, so they like $5.50, which is fine with me. Oh, Levi's, $16, so you pay $8, and those are 16 regulars. They're like slammers. Jeans, those are actually cute. Those are cute. Hold on, let me see what I can do with it. Okay, guys, so I am buying work clothes, but I do want to get my mother some church dresses. That is so cute. For $17, somebody would have him a cute little prom dress. Look at that. Oh, wow. Burlington giving their stuff away up in here. So, for that's 19. Child, you know I done called my mother. My mother said, "Grab me some church dresses." Okay. So I done found me some work for go back to work. Some stuff I needed. Yes. So my mom want me to grab her some church dresses, guys. Is this? That's a 12. That's cute. I think she'll like that. So I'm gonna grab that one. Some of the pickings is slim. Now I'm gonna tell y'all want like wedding dress stuff and things like that. That's the place to be. Look at that. That's pretty. Oh, so many little girls want prom dresses. Look at that. Look at that. Man, I mean, just so many of them need prom dresses. Jesus, it's $17, guys. Oh my God, I hate to even leave it because I know so many little girls that didn't have prom dresses. Look at that. Oh wow. Look at this one. Oh, look at that. $29. And it's half off of that. That is gorgeous. I mean, y'all we can't say that Burlington did us wrong. We cannot. We can't say it. Because they didn't. Burlington didn't do nothing to us. I'm telling you. Like, we literally, if we didn't get hold to this stuff, that was our fault. So guys, I'm going to close out because I don't want my phone to go dead like it did yesterday. Hey, hit like, subscribe, share this page. Guys, it's time for y'all to go out into the world, put your mask on, and run and get these deals. I'll stay tuned. If I hit another store today, I will stay tuned and I will post it. Bye.